So, a new day, new chances. And today I really wanted to just be in the field. No people around, just, dig holes and just enjoy being alone outside. It's just, well, I have these days sometimes that I really enjoy spending time all by myself in the field. So, without further ado, let the adventure begin. Come on! I have been digging a couple of holes. Looks like they had a flugel party here. I was like, oh man, they give such a good signal. They're aluminum and they sound awesome. But then I had this 80 signal and it is a very nice find indeed. I know Ruud Klein would be really happy with this. He's the toy soldier. He likes to find toys and all that stuff. And I've got a toy cup. I nicked it a little bit. It's kind of difficult sometimes to pinpoint it. I'm not really used to using the big coil, but I'll just try for now. But anyway, a very nice and interesting find. Love it. I'm gonna leave the dirt in, so I hope it doesn't break any further. But it's kinda, from this side, it's kinda complete. It took me quite a while. Well, let's take out the grass. But I think we're on to our probably slick first coin. It is going to be a dud, but there's nothing on there anymore. Too bad, but anyway, our first coin out of this field, so maybe we can find some more. If you look around you in a place like this, you can't really see any life except from birds and stuff like that. But just a few minutes ago there was like a hare sitting down there and he took off. Obviously you're always too late to film it, but it's just cool. I think we're on to a really good find. It took me a while to get a very good find, but here it is. Let's check it out. It came up as a 70-75 and it's a big buckle. And there is some gold gilt on it, as you can see. And I think this could be a very old one. It was quite a deep hole. Really had to dig hard for it, but well, let's walk over to the canal. Obviously I don't want to rub it too much now, but I want to see what we have. Ooh, slippery side. Let's check it out. Gently. Don't want to rub off all the gold gilt. It's complete. That's anyway cool. Never found one in this shape. I'm probably gonna leave it for now. Definitely some gold there. Or anyway, something that looks like it. Can't wait to clean it more, but for now we're gonna leave it. So nice when there are canals everywhere where you can, just wash off your finds. Definitely the advantage of the Netherlands. We have loads and loads of canals like this. I mean, it's really not deep, but it's just to get the water out of the field. But perfect find, love it. Really have to check out how old this one is and what it went to. Like a belt or horse tack, I don't know. I just wonder why in these fields I find so many pieces of pewter spoons. It's unbelievable. Now I found, I think, 3 or 4 back pieces just like this, handles, and I found one spoon bowl. Now I know my grandfather was a farmer as well, and when they went out in the field, they went for all day. So maybe they took spoons and stuff for lunch, I don't know, and broke the spoons once in a while and left them in the field. But it's kind of weird that there are so many of pewter spoon handles. Anyway, it's alright with me. Hope that they brought a silver spoon once. Maybe I can find it too. Blasted my ears out, this coin. Very close to the surface. It's a 2 cent from Belgium. Some detail on there, but first I thought I had silver, so I was quite excited, but well, we have to do it with a copper. Well, good for us. I think a child was playing in this field. And I think I'm on to another toy, and it might be complete actually. We're losing daylight already a little bit, but I think this is another one of those cups. No, it's not complete at all. Again, it's broken, but still a very cool find. I really love to find a complete one day. But they are fairly nice, really. Very cool. Maybe there's another part in there. Hang on. Well, anyway, never cared too much for toys, but I'm starting to like them. I've got this cool pocket knife, and I think it's a little bit older because it got some fancy on the end of it. It's completely brass, the other side as well, so normally I don't bother cleaning pocket knives, but this one I will. It might be a little bit older. Well, there we go. It's quite an old bale seal, and I love them when there's a weapon with a lion on it. Found one a couple of days ago, and now we're on to them again. Should be some lettering on the other side, can't really make anything out yet, but not many finds pop up, but once in a while we got a goodie, so we're not complaining. Think we're on to another goodie. Haha. In the hole there is this little thing. Now you can't really tell, but it's kind of decorated, and there is like a pin, or I have no clue to what it is, but probably it was on something leather, I think, like a belt, or I don't know. But it looks fairly old. I'm pretty excited to find out what this is. Need to Google around again. Always good. There we go. A fairly old buckle. So we changed fields. Quite a deep hole actually, but definitely a cool buckle came out. I would guess at least 1600, because yeah, the double D buckle. Very cool. So there we go. Wrapping up time. It's kind of cold in the barn here, but you know, I have some heating here, but I didn't bother to put it on basically. But anyway, on with the finds of today. Start off with some crusty coins, nothing really special or fancy. Like I said, the pewter parts, still don't understand why they're all in the field. Well, anyway. Some brass doodads, and a pocket watch winding key, a lead weight, bale seal musket balls, and our toy cups and the pocket knife. This is actually from a tap that you would put in a barrel to get the beer out basically, or the wine, whatever. There is a marking there, but I can't really make out what it is. Don't think it's too old, probably 18 or 1700s. And our buckles of this day. A pewter one, the double D buckle, a D buckle, a buckle, a brass ring, and for me the best find of the day for sure, the gold gilded buckle. Most likely it's 1500s, but could also be early 1600s. Not really sure about it, but found some info on it. Not a whole lot, but I'm definitely very happy with this one. So that was it for today. Thank you for tuning in and joining me on my adventure. Obviously I hope you will join me again on the next one. But for now, take care and I'll see you later.